Hi, Bill Knighton with RightAngle. I'm going to show you how we install our power strip. All right, what I have here is our PSSM-6-2 Power Strip. Again, comes with a 10-foot cord, and you can install this basically anywhere underneath the work surface you find it most convenient. For me, I'm going to be installing our wire management box, so I'm going to install it so it's inside the box. If you are using our power management box, you're going to want to make sure you install this first, because you will not be able to do it after the box is installed. So I'm going to place it between my grommet holes. And remember, there are no pre-drilled holes for this. And I'm going to be using our electric drill with a square drive tip. If you're going to try to use a hand tool, you will have to pre-drill your holes. So you can see I installed this about 3/4 of an inch from the back of the edge of the work surface. You're going to need about that much space because of the power management box. And the cover on the front of the box should still work easily. Now, in some cases, if you want to install the power strip and have the box on the other direction, the position will still be in the same place, but you will have to change the control box. All right, we've completed the install. It's just a 2-screw installation, very easy. If you have any questions, please contact us at reproducts.com. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.